Body part idioms. All ears. Fully listening. Example. Tell me what happened. I'm all ears. At hand. Nearby or available. Example. Help is always at hand if you need it. Break a leg. Good luck. Example. You'll do great in the play tonight. Break a leg. Break your back. Work very hard. Example. He broke his back to finish the project on time. Cry your heart out. Cry a lot. Example. She cried her heart out after watching that sad movie. Drag your feet. Delay something. Example. Don't drag your feet on finishing your homework. Foot the bill. Pay for something. Example. Don't worry about the dinner. I'll foot the bill. Get cold feet. Lose confidence. Example. She got cold feet right before her wedding. Have a big mouth. Talk too much. Example. Don't tell Jake he has a big mouth. Have itchy feet. Want to travel. Example. After 6 months at home, I'm getting itchy feet. Hold your tongue. Stay silent. Example. He wanted to argue but held his tongue. Keep an eye on. Watch carefully. Example. Please keep an eye on the kids while I cook. Keep your chin up. Stay positive. Example. I know things are tough, but keep your chin up. Lend an ear. Listen carefully. Example. Thanks for lending an ear when I needed to talk. Let your hair down. Relax. Example. It's the weekend. Time to let your hair down. Neck and neck. Almost equal. Example. The two runners were neck and neck in the race. Raise an eyebrow. Show surprise. Example. He raised an eyebrow at her strange question. Rule of thumb. General guideline. Example. As a rule of thumb, drink 8 glasses of water a day. Sit on your hands. Do nothing. Example. Don't sit on your hands. Help us clean. Stick your neck out. Take a risk. Example. He stuck his neck out to defend his friend. Sweat blood. Work very hard. Example. They sweated blood to get the company running. Don't forget to subscribe or follow. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.